Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Suresh K. Gupta, MD, a practicing physician in internal medicine and geriatrics in metropolitan Washington, D.C. Past 30 years here in this office for 30 years, and a nearby hospital, Holy Cross Hospital in Silver Spring, Maryland, where I admit my patients for inpatient service. Doing this for so long, it has been a great pleasure knowing so many people, patients, and staff we have come through, and a lot of friends, physicians, and the Indian American community in Washington, D.C. It has been a long ride, but I enjoyed the journey so well, very much so. During this course of 30 years, we have had pleasure of having students from medical student doctors, graduates from India and from overseas, including many countries. We have had from Azerbaijan, Indonesia, Gambia, India, and don't know so many names, but something we have enjoyed, and we're still enjoying very much. And this month we had the privilege of having a student medical graduate from India. He is with us this month, and his name is Dr. Naren Nalaphata, and he's an MD from India. He's a current president of Medical Student Association of India, MSAI they call it. It is a vibrant organization to enhance the medical knowledge and information between US and India. And I'd like to invite our young physician from India, Naren, to join us for a few minutes and say a few things about his experience with us. Thank you. Naren, please come.
Nice to meet you again, Dr. Gupta.
A pleasure.
Yeah, so before I start off anything, I would like to mention that I'm in the legendary background with a legend, our guru, our mentor, our advisor, who has been there for MSAI, that is Medical Students Association of India, from 3 years. So that's when I joined MSAI, and I've grown now, and like Dr. Gupta already said, I'm the current president-elect of Medical Students Association of India. So it was my privilege and honor to have shared time and my stay at Washington for the last couple of weeks, and it has been a wonderful experience because Dr. Gupta has been there as a mentor and guru, and it had always been my dream to come to Washington and learn from him, and to learn the experiences that I have. It can't be talked in just a few words. So right from patient experience to clinical encounter, to how to manage a patient, to how to address a patient, how to counsel a patient, to regular general things that a person should know in general life, and how to be a good human being. This is what I've learned from my guru, Dr. Gupta. He's not just a doctor, he's a wonderful human being, and he's helped everyone, and everyone keeps him in such high regard, from the Embassy of India to doctors around Maryland. He has such acclaim that I can't say it in words as to how amazing it is to be standing with him right now. So I would like to share my experience in this way, and I would invite you all to definitely take part in this amazing journey and get a chance to experience what I have experienced. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Naren. It has been so kind to use these generous words for us, for me. It's a great pleasure, privilege, and we welcome you all, anybody watching this, listening to this. We are in metropolitan Washington, D.C. area, Silver Spring, Maryland, and join us as skguptamd@gmail.com. We are on Facebook and the Suresh K. Gupta, and of course you can reach us through the landline on our cell phone, 301-332-9596. Thank you.